How to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Binance. After you open up your Binance, make sure that you log in into your account. After you log in into your account, head over to the wallet section that is on the bottom right corner. After you do that, on the top under exchange, you should find spot. Tap on spot, and after you tap on spot, you will see Solana. If you don't see it, you can search it on the search bar as well. Tap on Solana, and after you tap on Solana, you will see an option to deposit and buy. So simply tap on buy or withdraw. There can be a withdraw option as well. And after you do that, simply tap on your either one of these, send via crypto network. And after you do that, you'll then need to add in the address and withdrawal amount. After that, what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to open up your Phantom Wallet. After you're on Phantom Wallet, select Solana. After you select Solana, simply tap on the receive button. After you tap on receive Solana, you'll get the QR code that you can share. Tap on this share address and you can head back to your Binance. After you're back on your Binance, simply type in the address that you just got from your Phantom Wallet and simply type in the withdrawal amount. After you type in the withdrawal amount, on the bottom right corner, you will be able to tap on withdraw, after which you will have transferred your Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.